Hello everyone, this is Rich. In this video, I'm going to show you how to zoom in video in CapCut. CapCut is free to use without watermark. Now let's just get started. First off, run the CapCut on your Windows PC or Mac, and then import the video by going to the File and then choose the Import to drag the video to the timeline. Next, to start zoom in video in CapCut, just move the playhand cursor to the place where the zoom in will start. After that, find the End keyframe on the right side and click on it. Subsequently, move the playhand cursor to the place where the zoom in will end, and once again, and another keyframe. Next, you could scan the video to zoom in the video. Just scale the video to a proper position you want to zoom in the video. For example, I want to zoom in this boat, so we could move it to a proper position. So we could move it to a proper place. You could also change the position to left, right, or move it up or down. It's up to you. Okay, now let's just check how it looks like. But there is one problem, and we can see the rest of the videos are also zoomed. So to zoom out of the video, just move the playhand cursor to a place. And then we could just choose the second keyframe and right-click the mouse to copy this keyframe. Next, we move it to a place and then paste this keyframe. Finally, we could change the scale of the video to 100%. Now we could check again about how it looks like. So it starts to zoom in and then zoom out of the video. But sometimes you may want to make sure the zoom in parts of the video could stay longer. How to do that? Just select the second keyframe and then copy it. Next, move the playhand to a place and then just paste it again. Then these zoom in parts will stay longer. Now let's just check how it looks like. Okay, this is about how to zoom in or out of video in CapCut by adding keyframes. There is also another way to zoom in video by adding the zoom in effects. Another way to zoom in video in CapCut is just by adding zoom in effects. You could find the effects at the top bar and then you could type zoom to find the zoom in effects. There are a variety of zoom in effects, but some of them are not available for free. You could choose some free effects like this one and then just add the effects to the place you want to zoom in the video. And now let's just check how it looks like. You could also just making it longer or shorter, so it's very easy to use this way.